Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that might make you look at your walls a little differently. Have you ever walked into a room and thought, wow, this feels like it's stuck in 1995? Well, it might not be the furniture or the decor, it could be the paint color. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into 5 paint colors that instantly date your home. Trust me, you'll want to take notes because we're about to spill the tea on what's in and what's so out. First up, we have Tuscan gold or yellow. Now, don't get me wrong, this color had its moment in the early 2000s. It was everywhere. Think HGTV makeovers with faux finishes, vineyard-inspired decor, and a whole lot of Tuscan vibes. But here's the thing, this color can make your home feel outdated faster than you can say Chianti. It tends to darken spaces and can give off a heavy, old-world vibe that doesn't always translate well to modern design. Instead, try a soft, warm neutral like agreeable gray or accessible beige from Sherwin-Williams. These shades are timeless, versatile, and let your decor shine without screaming, "I'm stuck in 2003." Trust me, your home will thank you. Next on the list is Builder Beige. You know the one. It's the color that every builder slaps on the walls to keep things neutral. But let's be real, it's not neutral, it's boring. This color can make your home feel flat and uninspired, like it's stuck in the early 2010s. It's the paint equivalent of plain toast. No jam, no butter, just blah. Swap it out for a crisp, warm white like Alabaster or Simply White by Benjamin Moore. These shades brighten up your space, make it feel bigger, and give it that fresh, modern feel we're all craving. Plus, they're the perfect backdrop for all your Instagram-worthy decor. Now, I know some of you are going to come for me on this one, but hear me out, forest green. Yes, it's a beautiful, rich color, but it can instantly transport your home back to the 90s. Think dark wood paneling, plaid furniture, and a general hunting lodge vibe. Unless you're going for cabin chic, this color can feel heavy and dated. If you're craving something bold, try a deep navy or emerald green instead. These shades feel sophisticated, current, and oh so stylish, without the dated undertones. It's like giving your home a modern makeover without losing that cozy, inviting feel. Number 4 is Dusty Rose. This color had its heyday in the 80s, and while it's making a bit of a comeback, it can still feel very dated if not used correctly. It often gives off a grandma's living room vibe, and unless that's the aesthetic you're going for, it's best to avoid it. Sorry, not sorry. Instead, opt for a warmer blush or terracotta tone. These colors feel fresh and contemporary, while still giving you that soft, romantic feel. Plus, they pair beautifully with modern decor. It's like a hug for your walls, but you know, a stylish hug. Last but not least, we have bright red. Now, I get it. Red is bold, it's passionate, it's dramatic. But unless you're running a 24/7 Italian restaurant, this color can feel overwhelming and, frankly, a little outdated. It was huge in the early 2000s, but today, it can make your space feel chaotic and hard to decorate around. Instead, try a deep charcoal or a muted burgundy. These colors still pack a punch, but feel much more modern and versatile. Plus, they won't give your guests a headache. It's like swapping out a loud shout for a confident whisper. Still impactful, but way more chic. So, there you have it. 5 paint colors that instantly date your home. If you're guilty of having any of these on your walls, don't worry. It's an easy fix. And hey, paint is one of the most affordable ways to transform your space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home design tips. Let me know in the comments which color surprised you the most, or if you're still holding on to one of these shades. Until next time, happy painting!